Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. Now, to just summarize today's price movement in typical, technical jargon, this is what we would call just a big old gap and trap. What do I mean by that in case you're new to charts? Well, on Wednesday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened up there. So what's known as a gap up. And then after the opening bell rang, it was actually pleasant for a little bit because the price worked its way higher, higher, higher. And then what was pleasant turned into pure savageness as there were some poor souls buying up around here. And you can see after that, all selling pressure the remainder of the day. So that's the gap and trap that took place. But now that puts us into what I would definitely consider a very, very important level on the chart, and what I would definitely consider a do or die level of support down there at $1.03. Why is $1.03 so important? Now, I'm not saying this is going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down there, behave like that, and then start to work its way back upwards, what would you have? Well, at least at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows there. And at that point, that still represents some progress, right? So that's not terrible. I mean, nobody really wants to see that. But what would be terrible is what happens if the price comes down here, bounces around, and then does the opposite. What would that be doing? That would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was. Or in other words, that would be implying that the price absolutely exploded to the upside to then go right back to where it was. Not as true sign of power by any stretch of the imagination. So that's why, to me, $1.03, very, very important level moving forward. If the price does try to bounce, first key level of resistance to watch right there at $1.18. And then after $1.18, next key level up there right around the $1.30 mark. But as of now, things are looking pretty shaky, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.